In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to try Submagic AI for completely free and how you can use it to see how this will change your videos from good to way better. Before we get started, you can try Submagic for free right now. If you use the code Endeavor10 at checkout, you'll lock in 10% off for life. So don't miss out. Click the link below and let's make your videos irresistible. Now here I want to show you a complete tutorial review of how Submagic works so that you can really understand the nitty-gritty and that you can do this for yourself. So this is the dashboard once you log in. Of course, you need to either start a free trial or subscribe. But Submagic is pretty easy to maneuver. Over here on the left side, you can see your projects right here. You can add folders by just creating a new folder, and which is nice to be able to organize all your different videos. On the left side, you can always change your pricing plans from monthly to yearly. You can kind of see the pricing right here. The starter is $20. You get 20 videos a month, no custom templates. Still pretty good if you want to just try it out. This is the plan I'm usually on, the growth plan, because it's unlimited videos, which I love. You get premium B-roll, AI hook type. There's like so many cool features, which we'll show. And then business is perfect for more agencies and higher up video editors. And if you do want to save a little bit more money, you can do it yearly and pay once and get that discount off. And again, if you haven't already, there's the discount code to use, Endeavor10, to get 10% off. So when you're ready to make a video, it's really simple. You can also flip it from these two different perspectives if you want to, but you just simply go up to the create new project on the top right, and you can drop or browse your video. So you just click on this and you put in a new video, whichever video you want to, and then you press open, and then it will start to upload the video. Once you have the video, it'll come right here and you can start to edit it. But let's just do this in case. So this is like an AI video that I did in the past. And so we can see right here, it says Rio sitting down girl. This is a girl talking about repurpose.io. And you can do upload. And then so it just takes a little bit to upload, not that long. As you can see, it's pretty quick. And then it will start to transcribe the video, right? So it's generating the captions. And again, this is really cool because in the past, you used to have to pay for that to happen. And now software like this, Submagic, does it all for you. So you don't have to type it all yourself. You don't have to pay someone out there to go and transcribe all these things. Software right now is just so cool and smart. It does it all for you. So within just 30 seconds to a minute, this whole video, the captions are generated, and we'll be able to do a lot of cool things like trim, edit, and do some advanced features for every single video. And so now you can see that the video is uploaded, and then we get to come first. We can come to the top left. You can see that you can go to the home page. This is the name of the video. We can first come over here to trim. And so you can go through every single piece of content that you want to and delete it, kind of like a document. Or what you can do is remove all silences, which is awesome. So you can just remove 4 silences right there. And it said just like that, all the silences are removed successfully. And so now you can see right here on this bar that those were the silences that were taken out. And I do recommend taking out silences because it does make the video a little bit more fast paced and people can pay attention. If there are any filler words, you can also do remove filler words like and, but, like things that you wouldn't want. And then you can also do AI clean audio, which is awesome. So it can make the audio even sound a little bit better if you want to. And so it's doing that right now. Now, if you want to, you can use the keyword search right here. So if you wanted to do precious, it will go and tell you exactly where and when that is there. So if you really want to have, that distinction and find keywords really quickly, you can remove the whole clip right here. So if I click on that, I can do remove clip. I can split it in a certain spot. I can reset to original. So there's a lot of things that you can do in this editing space. You can flip it, the dimensions here as well, from 9:16 to 4:5, 1:1, or 16:9. And so you can flip it like that if you want to. I usually keep mine at 9:16 for short form content. And when you're done, you simply just either share it, save it, or edit captions. But we're going to go, when you press edit captions, it goes to the edit phase over here. And this is where we get our awesome subtitles. And some of our favorite popular ones is Hormozy, Hormozy 2, Hormozy 3. Those are really good ones. And if you like to edit like Alex Hormozy, right when you click on that, you can see.
Ever wondered how you can
titles are
effortlessly
already there,
multiply your
ready
content
to go.
across social media?
Isn't that really cool? And then you just click on that and they change it.
Introducing repurpose. the #1.
It's so cool. And then also, if you wanted to do it like Ali Abdul, you can go ahead and click right here. And so now you can see
Automated
that he
content
has his
repurposing and
subtitles,
scheduling platform
style, and
with
editing right
seamless
there.
integration across platforms.
So there are a lot of really cool editing styles, and they continue to add more as they go. So they added Hormozy 4 right here, just barely, and Hormozy 5, which is really cool. They just added this guy named Seth, Nima, and Malta. So nice thing about this too is you can edit the themes, and you can change the size, you can change the position, and the color. And then each style kind of has like its main colors. You can also change those as well. And as you can see, it kind of shows you. And then it becomes an edited theme. And if you like those themes, you can save them. So this is just how fast you can go from back and forth,
like TikTok,
from how, getting really cool, engaging subtitles on your video in like 0 time. And it's awesome. And you can go through, play it, test it, and see how it is. If there are any errors in the captions or the transcription, you can go to captions here and you can literally edit them. You can, like, if this was spelled wrong, you can change it. You can add words to it. But right here, you can also put an emoji, for example, if you want to, wherever you want. You can put sound effects on here as well, just right here in the captions edit phase. And this is really cool if you want to make it that much more engaging and adding sound effects to certain time periods on your short form content. So if I wanted to put like a sound right here when it says Instagram and put a ding right there, and you can preview how it sounds by pressing that. So now, whenever it gets to that part,
Instagram, YouTube,
hear the ding, which is really cool. So you can play around with that. And I always like to sometimes put like a certain sound when I want them to pay attention to something, like when it's a call to action, like follow for more, or a call to action. You kind of want to do some kind of something that, makes that stand
out for free. Ever wondered how you can
So there you go. And so that's how you can edit the captions, add sounds, and put in different kinds of emojis. And then one thing that they've added recently is you can do B-roll. So if you're kind of lazy like me and you just want to do magic B-rolls, you just click on this and it will automatically try to put B-rolls in places where it makes sense. And so as you can see, it says B-rolls added successfully. And so now I can go ahead and see what
Repurpose.io saves you precious time by
Repurpose right there is talking about how to automate different postings. And so it's put like a little robot arm in there. And then imagine transferring one video into 15 different customized platforms.
Imagine transforming one video into over 15 customized posts.
And see, with that one, you can't really tell what's going on. So if you're not liking a certain B-roll, you can press that button. And then you can go to B-roll again. And you can click a video that makes more sense. And you can change the title for it, like automation. And then press enter. And then you can pick one that suits it better, like this maybe. And then you click apply. So then now that video will pop up there.
Imagine transforming one video into over 15 custom.
And it's just like that. And you can add or take away as much as you want. You can put images in there. You can do different transitions as well, like film burn, glitch, vintage, film, B-roll. So this just makes editing so easy. Like if you are an editor or have ever edited a video, you know just how time consuming this can be. And so right here, when you do magic B-rolls, you can actually choose what percentage of the video will have B-rolls for it. So you can have most of the video be B-rolls if you want to. If you only want to try having 15%, you put it right there, and then you do magic B-rolls, and boom. You have B-rolls, you have your sound effects, you have subtitles that make it really engaging. You trimmed your video, and now you're ready to go to the boost section. Boost is something that they've added in the last year or so. They're able to now give you some AI title hooks, which helps you kind of grab attention right from the beginning. So like this one, you can see.
The user-friendly interface means no.
Let's put it to the very beginning. That's where you can see it right here, the AI hook title.
I wondered how you can effortlessly
Isn't that cool? So you can change the title. And so imagine transferring one video into 15 posts, and look how cool that is as it comes down. And there's a few different ways that you can do that. You can change the font style for it. So if you like it bold, if you like the size different, if you like you can choose the duration for the title. So this is really cool. Like I said, this takes editors a very long time to do without using Submagic. When you are happy with it, you can leave it there. You can also do an AI clean audio, so you can improve the audio. You can get an AI descriptions and hashtags, so you don't have to make those up for yourself. And if you're not happy with what it comes up with here, you can copy it, obviously, if you are happy, and paste it into whatever platform you're going to post on. You can regenerate it if you're not happy. You can make the short version, or if you want to make a longer version, you can do that as well. So it makes a longer version and puts some cool emojis and does a call to action with the hashtags. So this is a huge time saver. And then you can put your logo and branding on. You can put an image right there, or just simply text. So like at Logan Kramer Hustles. That's my personal brand. And you can see how it is right there now. And so you can have that there, or you can have like a image of your brand right there as well. So you can have that on there as well. And then also they do have music and themes to put in the background of your video. And you can decide how, how loud it is. So you can do add music. They have premium music that you can use as well, or you can add your own music and just click or drop and drag your own music that you want to put in there. So I had a few that I had in the past. When you're happy with one, you just click on it and then you do apply. And you can preview the song as well and change the volume. So that's pretty much a huge preview of how to use Submagic in a nutshell. You upload your video, you choose the style, captions. If you want B-roll, you can have Magic B-roll do it, or you can customize every single one. You can do the boost and add an AI hook title. You can change the descriptions and the hashtags. You can make your audio sound better. You can trim the video here. And when you're done, you obviously can save it. And you can then on the top right hit export, and that's how you export your video. And you can change the quality depending on what plan you are on. You can do the standard, or you can do Ultra HD 4K, which is super cool. So they give you a lot of different options for that. When you're ready, you can just simply press export, and the project is being saved. And then you can choose where that, so it's going to be exporting first. And then here you can see you can also add comments. You can add description and transcription there if you ever need to go back to see that. So if you send this to somebody, you can share it with an email, or you can make a workspace, and you can share it with like your brand. If you are in charge of being a brand manager and you want to make money doing this, say, hey, I'll edit your videos, 10, 15 videos a month. They can pay you for that. And then you can say, hey, I did this editing. What do you think? Do you want any tweaks? And they can make comments, and then you can go back and edit the video as well. So you can just simply copy the link and send it to them and say, hey, is there any changes you want? They say yes. So you go back and edit the video and do it again. Or if they say, no, it looks good to go, once the video is exported, you can just simply give it to them, or you can post it for them if you are also in charge of their content management. So there's a lot of ways that you can make money with Submagic. They do have an affiliate program as well that you can join and get an affiliate link, and you can share this platform, and it helps you make a lot of money that way. Obviously, if you make good content for yourself and for your brand, you can promote your offers, the things that you made for yourself, your products, your webinars, your master classes, physical products, whatever it might be. By making engaged videos like this, it will really help. And so this is the end product after all of that.
Ever wondered how you can effortlessly multiply your content across social media? Introducing Repurpose.io, the #1 automated content repurposing.
So as you can see, it had a hook, and it's just really good, and just saves you so much time. It can save you from paying for an editor. It can help you edit a lot of videos if you are an editor yourself. And it really just streamlines the whole process. The alternative is doing every single thing manually, and it just takes so long. And for me, running a short form content in the past, like this was a way that I was able to land $5,000 per month clients who wanted short form videos that looked appealing, that would grab attention, and that could help show what they did and what products they had for people to potentially purchase. So this is just kind of a big review and tutorial of what Submagic is, how it works. And I really love it myself. It's like one of my favorite AI software, on the market right now. And I've seen them come a really long way from where they were and where they are now. And I feel like they keep continuing to add really cool features, new fonts to make the software really invaluable. So try it out for free if you haven't. Use code Endeavor10 if you are wanting to try the paid version. Get yourself 10% off. But I think it's really worth the money, and one of my favorite softwares to edit videos by far.